Hey, here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! Did you know that your eyes can essentially get sunburnt? Snow blindness is a harsh eye condition caused by overexposure to ultraviolet light. When too much UV light from the sun reflects off the snow and hits your cornea, which is the outer transparent layer of your eyes, it gives your cornea a sunburn. Snow blindness symptoms can be disorientating. You can experience a sensation of grit in your eyes, and it can also become excruciating to move them. Your eyes can also get very red and watery. Prolonged exposure can result in permanent eye damage, so always carry UV protection sunglasses in your backpack or survival kit. A great tip is to smear some charcoal under your eyes. You may look like an American football player, but this will reduce the glare from the sun's rays and absorb a lot of the light. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the links in the description for more great videos. Stay safe.